If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code PARTNER25 Pro yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. Now, to add a background image in Framer, just simply click the board and you'll see on the right side is the editor. Now, click the fill and you will see here that you can put a solid background color. You can also turn it to gradient or to a circular gradient also. You can also add an image as your background by clicking this image and clicking this choose image, and it will redirect you to your computer. Now choose for your background, and that's it. That's how you add a background image in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.